So I've loaded that in from the Experience server. If I just rotate this around, I can drop it down. Okay, so if I try and line this up, it doesn't appear to look quite right.
Looking at that, the roller design appears to be wrong. What roller have we used in this model, Bruce?
I have just used the spec of the roller we use here in the US facility.
Okay, so perhaps the spec of the rollers you have in the UK varies from ours. Do you know what specification the ones you are showing, Ryan?
I don't know. Do you have any idea, Matt?
I don't know it off the top of my head. I know we had those rollers for a long time, so it may be that we have a slightly older version than the US guys. I can find out the specification.
That'd be great, Matt. If we can get the specification, can we get the model updated, Bruce?
Yes, if you can get me the model number, I'll update my design and share the updated version as soon as it's available.
Can we also remove this section of the cage?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll record that as an action. Okay, bear with me. I'm just adding in the image comment, and if I click attach, that'll send it up to the server.